Stalin has become the Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. The board outside his residence in Chennai has also changed. Udayanidhi Stalin, Deputy Chief Minister, that's the new board that's currently changed. Along with Udayanidhi Stalin, there were 4 ministers who were inducted into the cabinet. In fact, Sendil Balaji, who's been out on bail in connection with a money laundering case, was also given back the portfolios that he held, which includes electricity, prohibition and excise. These were the 2 portfolios that he held. He's been given the same portfolios. Udayanidhi Stalin has an additional portfolio, which is Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Speaking exclusively to CNN News 18, Udayanidhi said that this is not just a post, but a responsibility, a big responsibility. And reacting to criticism from the opposition on DMK being tagged as a dynast party, Udayanidhi Stalin said that he will prove through his work and action, and that it will be his answer to the opposition parties that in fact said that DMK is only giving him responsibility because he's the son of MK Stalin and grandson of Karunanidhi, which is why he's been given that portfolio. In fact, a lot of people have been queuing up outside the Greenways residence to congratulate Udayanidhi Stalin. This is the queue. More and more people are waiting outside the residence to go and convey their wishes to Udayanidhi Stalin. In fact, the opposition parties have reiterated that DMK is a dynast party, not just DMK. The INDI bloc will only promote the family members, which is why Udayanidhi's elevation is not a surprise, is something that the opposition parties said. The AIDMK went on to say that that this is something that was on expected lines, and even though the DMK said that this is not a dynast party, it's only for his recognition, only family members will be given these posts. In fact, and you can see a lot of people here outside Udayanidhi's residence. They are here to congratulate him, while the opposition has been criticizing this move by the Tamil Nadu government and by Chief Minister MK Stalin. Senior leaders of the DMK have told CNN News 18 that Udayanidhi has already contributed a lot, and he's proven himself as an able politician, and that's why, and based on his contributions, he's been recognized by Chief Minister MK Stalin. Chorus, in fact, grew louder for Udayanidhi Stalin's elevation over the last 2 weeks. We've seen more and more people coming out in support of Udayanidhi's elevation. Finally, the cabinet reshuffle took place earlier today at the Raj Bhavan. 3 new ministers have been inducted. Sendil Balaji re-inducted once again as a minister, and Udayanidhi Stalin gets additional portfolios. Now, opposition has been saying that
definitely there will be a criticism only. Not everybody will be appreciative of you. I will definitely have to prove it only by my work.
Everyone wanted this. Finally, it's happened. How does it feel, sir?
Really, being a friend, I'm very happy to express, and being a party cadre, really it's a proud moment for us. And being a colleague minister, I think we are holding more responsibility because he's going to be our reporting officer.
and this is also going to help the DMK do better in 2026.
Definitely, because DMK, how we are giving more importance to all the youth, and definitely he will represent all the youth in not only in the party but also in Tamil Nadu. Thank you.
Opposition is calling it a dynast party, sir. Your response to the opposition?
Yeah, from the beginning, opposition always used to corner him. Like when he's been announced as MLA, has given the MLA seat, they just, as you said, they always used to criticize or accuse him. But based on his performance, he really proved himself as a MLA. After that, the whole party was willing to give him as a ministry, and our Honorable Chief Minister gave a berth in the ministry also. Even at the time, opposition accused him or criticized him, but he proved himself, like even if it is a chess Olympiad, if it is a F4 car race, or if it is going to be Asian Games, and in the Khelo India, the list itself, like very first time, I think we have placed the second places in the list also. So like that, he already performed in his duties, and definitely this criticism given by the opposition, definitely he will break all the criticism based on his performance. Yeah, thank you.